Back in the garden today, I'll take a look at these potatoes. These over here are still growing and green, but these that are dying off is an indication that the potatoes may be ready for harvesting. Normally I would try and go maybe mid-August, but like I said, these look ready, and we dug them up the other day and they looked ready. These potatoes were from last year's harvest. I overwintered them. I actually did it in my refrigerator, and then I just had about maybe 7 small potatoes that I planted, and I said, let's just see. So let's go ahead and see. I mean, I can tell already. Oh, here's another little baby one out of this bin. Let's see what we get. Let's read. You see how there's green on this? I think that they could use more time. Some of them anyway. If I had decided that the whole thing needed to be harvested, I would just have dumped this all in the big bin here. So you can see there's, I like these little bite-sized potatoes. You can just boil them whole. Put butter on them, salt, delicious. But yeah, even though the tops are starting to wilt and brown, I think there's some more life that can be had in some of these. I can feel the roots underneath, you know, with potatoes attached. So I'm gonna pat these down. These are homemade raised beds that I started making. Thought it was going to be easy. It actually was a lot of work, but you can consider these like potted plants. Like they'll need more watering than the beds that are actually in the ground, where the roots can reach down and tap into the moisture that's already in the ground. So I'm going to move back and check out this one. I can tell you already, this is this is more than I planted, and there's more in there that are still growing. I'm going to see my dad this weekend, so I actually wanted to bring him some produce from the garden. So this way I have something to show off when I get there. We'll do this again, like I said, in a couple of weeks. I'll dump the whole thing out and we can see what we have in the dirt. But even though these are drying out, I think they do need more time, as I said. So we'll give them what they need. Small harvest today, but that's a meal's worth for 2 people at least. I'm gonna enjoy them.